Oh my god. Ow. My butt's wet. Ah! That's not gonna help. It's so cold. Ah! You're just pushing it back in. You're retarded. Get off me. Ah. Oh god. Oh god.
You let me get that out of your pants?
No, it's that's freaking freezing! It's going down my pants! Oh god, it's like tinkling down my pants. My butt's like wet. Ow! Ow! Oh, I wish I would tan right here. My face would get all brown.
And this time, and then rocks will get on your pants and
You're an ass. You know that?
or sad. Believer for life.
Yes, I'm a believer for life. My butt is wet. Let me say something really nasty that you would say about a person ever.
What?
Say something. Like, I will shit in your pants if you give me $50. Wow, that's messed up on so many levels. Don't fucking put it in my...